piecing our own struggles into little that we have. So weak, so shattered, empty inside. But God reminds us it's not just what we have, it's the only answer to fill our empty lives. Through Him we are sure, through Him we are safe and secure. Our God is the only way. Storms rage and calm darkness, now I'm falling on my knees. But He is like a beacon, shining bright for me. You're the lily of the valley, the comfort that I need. You're the bright and morning star, guiding my way near and far. Through You I am sure, through You I am safe and secure. My God, You're the only way. When tomorrow comes, He's the pillar by our side. And when evening comes, He will slay our shining fire. He's our God, He's the only way. My God, You're my only way.